Yes. Another important thing in discrete time channel is eye diagram. What is eye diagram? So whenever you are transmitting anything through a digital channel, we will be measuring the eye diagram. Eye diagram will say whether the channel is going to be noisy or fit for transmission. So if the eye diagram, maybe without talking much, I'll just run this code for you to understand what is an eye diagram. Take some time. Let's wait. Let's see a beautiful eye diagram, eye coming here. It's just compiling. Yes. You all seeing the eye diagram. So what I'm taking is, you see, I'm going to do a pulse amplitude modulation. I'm doing PAM here. Okay. So PAM means I'm going to convert my message into a PAM signal, pulse amplitude modulated signal. So I'm going to do convolution of A up comma G. What is A up? The up converted symbols. And what is G? G is going to be my pulse, carrier pulse, which I'm going to use for PAM. And when I do convolution, I am just converting this message into a PAM signal. And receiver, when you use convolution again for demodulation, the input is going to be m comma the same pulse. If you convert, you get back your original signal. The eye diagram, this is going to be the eye diagram. So I'm going to plot eye diagram for receiver. I'm going to plot the eye diagram for the receiver, received signal. Y underscore UP is the received signal. The eye diagram for received signal. This is the plot. What is the plot is saying is, you see the eye opening. What is the eye opening? -1 to 1. So here this point is 1, this point is minus. Total eye opening is 2. When the eye opening is very wide, I can say the channel is very good. The channel is good for transmission. So this is looking like an eye, right? So if you widely open your eye and see, what you will see, you can clearly see what is in front of you, right? Same way, when the eye is wide open, I can say the channel is very good. The noise at by the channel is very, very little. But if the eye opening is going to be very, very small, that means that your channel is going to be noisy channel. How to verify whether the noise is good or bad? You see here, you have I am generating random signal here, right? So it is multiplied by 2. So assume I am multiplying by 10. I am multiplying the amplitude by 10, so that we can see what is the effect of noise on the channel. I am running this code. We'll see whether the eye diagram is shrinking or it is as it is. Or now see, it is at +1 and -1. Now see the eye diagram. It is even more good, because the modulation is very good. The modulation is very good. That is the reason why the eye diagram is looking perfect. See, it is here, it is also from, it is from here, it is 1, and here it is 9. So it is shifted, it is upward shifted. And this is my received signal. Pulse amplitude means you will be having a pulse over the amplitude. So the data what you send is zeros and ones, but you will be converting that zeros and ones into pulses for transmitting. This is what an eye diagram will look like.